subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if you couldn't update your Facebook app, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just go to this settings. In the settings, you need to check your internet connection. So if you use Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also, you can try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power the phone again. So just simply restart your phone. And the latest option you can try to go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write here Facebook. And if you see here not open, just tap on this app, and here you will see, scroll down to compatibility, and here you will see how much free space you need to have for this app, and here you will see what iOS requires for this app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.